Yo, yo, everybody, this is Scammers Exposed, and in this call, I speak to a quote-unquote Microsoft scammer. He doesn't really lie about a whole lot. He tells me right off the bat that he's from New Delhi. But he's still a scammer nonetheless. Remoted into my system, ran MS Info, did the whole stopped services thing, etc., etc., etc. Well, I don't want to give too much away, so on with the video. Here we go.
Please hold while we connect your call to extension 0. To go directly to voicemail,
Extension
press
0.
star.
Really?
Thank you for calling support line. How can I help you?
Hi, I got a Windows security pop-up message saying to call this number.
What is the message?
Suspicious activity detected on your IP address due to harmful viruses installed on your computer.
Okay. And do you know what is your IP address so that we can check it?
I don't.
Okay. Okay, sir, no problem. I'll check it for you. So for that, can I have your name, please?
Yeah, my name is Johan Gamble Buddy.
And the computer is Windows 10, Windows 7.
It's Windows 7, I believe.
Okay, and is it an i7 computer, i3, i5? Which computer is this?
It's an HP.
HP. Okay. Okay. And how old this computer is?
I think 8 years old.
Okay. So then it would be Windows 7 or Windows Vista, the older edition of Windows operating system. And the reason is that there are few operating systems which have been discontinued by Microsoft from 1st of January 2018. So those Windows cannot control these type of suspicious activities. They come again and again on the screens. So what I will do, I will go ahead and check it for you. We can update your settings on your software so that we can make sure that we can update it for you so that in future it do not cause any kind of issue for you again, okay?
Okay.
And let me tell you, because as I said that these are few operating systems which you are using. These have been discontinued by Microsoft, so there would be a security service charge for your account. So if you would like, I can continue and we can update it for you.
Okay.
Okay, so to continue, I'm sorry.
Go ahead.
Okay, in order to continue, just tell me which browser are you using right now? Is it Google Chrome or Internet Explorer?
It says on the top of the page, Windows Internet Explorer.
Internet Explorer. Do you have Google Chrome?
I believe so, but I never use it.
Okay, open that. Let's try to open it.
Okay.
Once it's open, let me know.
Okay, it's open.
So type www.
Uh-huh.
.121 help number 1 number 2 number 1 HELP help.net .net.
.net.
And yes, and then hit enter.
Get your technician live.
Yeah.
Okay, so do I click connect on Windows?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I gave it a click. The button turned orange. Looks like it's downloading something.
Yeah, it at the left bottom corner it shows TeamViewer QS.exe. So open that from your left bottom corner of your screen.
Okay.
And what it shows now?
Yeah, it's not opening. Try it again.
Okay.
Sometimes things take a little
Do you
bit of
see
time to open up.
At the left bottom corner, don't you see any TeamViewer?
I do, but it isn't opening.
Yeah, it will take time. It will give it some time. Maybe around 5 to 10 minutes, or maybe sometime few seconds.
5
Do
to
you
10
see a
minutes?
small
Who's he
arrow,
kidding?
or just like as it shows there? So you have a small arrow pointing up with that also, TeamViewer.
Yeah, I'm getting a security warning. Do you want to run this file? So I just
Click
hit
on run. Yeah. And once you run it, it would ask you, would you like to allow the following program? So say yes.
I'm waiting for that to come up. Oh, this virtual machine is so slow.
Do you have it?
I have it now. It says not ready. Check your internet connection. Oh, there we go. Your ID.
Now, okay, what's the ID now?
715-703-625.
625. Password?
8082.
8032, correct?
8082.
8086, sorry.
No. 8082.
Let me try to connect it. Okay, you can see I'm getting connected. And you have my name here at the bottom of your screen. Do you see that?
Yes.
So we are connected to you. Now let me check it. Is this the message which you have it here?
Yes.
And how long you have this message? Like from last couple of days or just today?
Within the last 10 minutes or so.
Oh, let me check it. Not to do anything now. They're asking you to enter your password. Once your password is entered, they can hack your computer.
Yeah, I don't want to do that.
.82 gigahertz. Give me 1 minute. Let me check your security services for your computer, okay?
Okay. Take all the time you need, scammer.
And are you the only one who uses this computer, or do you share it with somebody else?
It's just me.
Just you, okay.
He's just poking around looking at my
This
system.
computer is for your home use or for office use?
It's my home use.
Okay. So here, sir, you can see here kernel drivers. Do you see here type kernel drivers? Do you see here?
Yes.
And they are stopped. Do you see at the end they show stopped? Just few of them are running only. Because of those your computer is still working, otherwise your computer may have crashed as of now. Most of your service of kernel drivers are stopped, and kernel drivers is something on which your computer is based. Without that, a computer do not run at all. So we need to go ahead and update all the services. We need to make all these things running once again. Once everything has been updated, then you can use it for a long time without any issue. Okay?
Okay.
Because the inbuilt application system of your account has stopped. And as I said initially, that from 1st of January, most of your services for this computer have been stopped by Microsoft also. So you're not supposed to get any kind of services. So what we need to do, we need to go ahead and subscribe you for your data security services, which can protect your data and this computer. So you can use it for next couple of more years without any issue. Okay. Sir? Yeah. So in order to go ahead here, we have two services for you. Like either you can go for 1 year services for this computer if you want to get your services activated for 1 more year, or you have 5 year services, whichever you want to choose. The 1 year services program will cost you $299.99, and if you want to go for 5 year, it's $449.99. So whichever you will choose, we will go ahead with that, and we'll make your services working. Because this computer is no longer activated under Microsoft, as they had updated their new edition already. So to use it, you can go ahead and update any of your support, and we can renew your subscription for a couple of more years. And if you want to, as I just saw, your computer is an i7 computer, which means this computer is compatible to you can use it for next 5 to 10 years. So if you are not going to buy a new computer, you can use this, which is a very good computer, because to buy a new i7 computer may cost you around $1,500 to $2,000. i7 means that's the topmost priority computers in Windows setup. Let me show you where I checked that it's an i7 computer, so that you can see it by your own also. See here, do you see here Intel R Core TM i7 CPU?
Oh, how about that?
Yeah, that's an i7. i7 means that's like top level computers. This computer which you have, but the only thing which is not supporting your account is the services, because Microsoft have discontinued the computer services for this computer. And not only for you, for all users around the globe. Not only for you, it's for every user around the globe. Services have stopped for this computer. So to renew them for a couple of more years, so that you can use it as long as you want. If you want to go and renew your services for 1 year, it will cost you $299, and if you want to do it for 5 years, it would be $449.99. So whichever you can choose, we will go ahead and we'll update it for you.
I have a question.
I'm sorry?
Is there a one-time fix?
It's here on your computer screen. It's 1 year $299 and 5 years $499.99. $449, sorry.
So in order to get a fix, I have to commit to at least 1 year.
I'm sorry?
There's no one-time fix. I have to commit to at least 1 year.
Yes, yes, we do have one time, but one time is a little higher cost compared to annual support. It's 199.99. So if you want to do that, you can do that also. You have that choice. But I haven't explained you because instead of going for 1 year, one time, I believe 1 year will be more beneficial for you. So if you want to choose that, you can choose that also.
Okay. And what's your company name?
But again, if you have an issue, suppose after a couple of months, if you again have an issue, again you have to pay the same charge of 199 for one time. So like suppose if in 6 months you have issue twice, you will end up paying $400. So instead of those $400, if you can just invest today of $450, that will give you a next complete 5-year unlimited services for your computer. So that will be much more beneficial for you, the 5-year plan, which is also economical. As if you compare the cost, the most economical plan is for 5 years, which is $449.
Okay, I guess I'll go with the 5-year plan then.
Sorry?
5-year plan.
5-year, okay. So for your computer registration, because your old registration was discontinued, I need your full name, your email ID, and your phone number. So please type that here on your computer screen.
You said you need my phone number?
Your email address and your mailing address.
Okay.
Your mailing address, like your home address.
Okay.
Okay. And the phone number from which you're calling us is your home phone number or is your cell phone number?
It's my home phone number.
Okay. It's 843-672-5514. Do you want to register this phone or do you want to register your cell phone with us for future communication?
You can register this phone.
Okay. And why we are registering your phone for future communication? Because after 5 years, when your support is about to expire, we will notify you by a text message, which is not, because home phone do not receive text messages, so we will
Very
send
good,
it to
scammer.
you by your
Woo!
email. Okay.
Okay.
Give me 1 minute, sir. I'm putting your registration. I'm activating your registration again. Give me a couple
Okay.
of minutes. Thank you. And is this the only computer you have or you're running in this house, or you have any other computer connected to this network?
This is the only computer.
Okay. I'm going to scan it. It may take some time.
Oh, okay.
And also we will clean up your computer from all kind of junk files, so which I have started both the work at the same time, so that it won't consume much of our time later on. And after every 6 months, you will receive a call from our technician for your computer cleanup. Whenever a technician calls you, they will give you your customer ID to verify that yes, they are from here. We will give you your customer ID, and do not give your computers access without verifying. Okay.
Okay.
I'll give you all my details, and if you have a printer, you can print them, or otherwise I will save all details on your computer's desktop.
Okay. What's your company's name?
I'm sorry?
What is your company's name?
You're talking about the program?
Are you guys Microsoft, or do you have a company name?
Yes. No, it's the Microsoft Services.
So you guys are Microsoft. Hello?
Yes, I'm here, sir. I'm updating it.
So you're from Microsoft? You work for Microsoft?
Yeah, we work for Microsoft Services.
And where are you headquartered?
All support for the software, like for all operating system, is in India, New Delhi, India.
Okay.
And whenever you will call us, we will,
Holy
like the
shit,
number
he was
which we
actually
will
honest.
give you for any technical issue in future, that will directly connect you to us here.
Okay. Oh God, these scan nows take forever.
Okay, sir, your account has been updated here. Now we need to update your payment information. So how would you like to pay, by check or by card? By check, there is
Uh,
no tax, and by card, depending upon your state, they will charge you tax. So whichever mode you like, we can go ahead and we can update it.
we can do by card.
By card, okay. So do you have your card handy?
I can get it.
Okay, you can type your card number here on the computer screen.
Okay, give me a moment. Okay, got my card.
You can type the card number here on the computer screen, please.
I have to type it here. Don't you have a payment website you can take me to?
Here, sir, here on the computer screen, type here the card number.
Okay.
Your card expiration date under that.
See if I can find it. Oh, there it is.
Under that last three number at the back side of your card. Okay. You can recheck your card number. I'm going to read it. It's 5341 9470 3447 6233. Expiration is 1120, and last three number are 192. Is that correct?
That's correct. Now that everybody in the call center has my fake card number, my life is just gonna be grand. Oh, yes.
And let me check one more thing. Okay, after your estates, after the sales tax, total amount is $474.99. Okay. If you want to write it down, you can write it down.
Okay. He's doing it
And do
again?
you use any computer security software?
Yeah.
I cannot see anyone here.
At least I thought this computer had software.
I'm sorry.
I thought there was software on here. Maybe I'm wrong.
No, any kind of I'm talking about your softwares, like any kind of security services for your account, like what you can say, AVG, Avast. You don't have anything?
No.
So we would suggest you, sir, at least buy some security for your computer from a local store, which may help you to also protect more malicious things. Okay. It may not cost you much, but that can help you in a good way.
Okay. Oh, great, he's installing the full team viewer. Luckily, I've got a snapshot. So that he can access the computer whenever he wants.
Is your computer restarting now, or is just updating something there?
It says disk cleanup is calculating how much space you will be able to free. Now I got this thing that says Team Viewer Update.
I'm sorry?
Team Viewer Update is installing.
Yes.
What does that do?
It's updated now.
It says installing. What is it installing?
Okay, what is the percentage? 1%, 2%?
There's no percent. It's just a bar.
Okay. Yeah, I can see connection is going on there. So in the meantime, you can write down a direct phone line for you.
Okay.
It's 844.
Can you write it here? Notepad?
Yes, you can write it. It's 844 652 2007.
Okay.
844 652 2007. Extension 2006.
Extension 2006.
Okay, could you please repeat the number?
Sure. 844-652-2007. Extension 2006.
It's 2006, correct?
Correct.
Okay. So, give me some time, sir. It's still updating. As soon as I'll be connected again, because it's on my connection right now, I'll call you back. So not to touch your keyboard or mouse. Leave it all alone and let it update, okay?
Okay.
And please do not touch it and keep your phone. Okay, I got it connection. Just bear with me. I got it here.
Not touching my keyboard
It shows
and or
connected.
mouse.
I'm sorry. I got it now, yeah. Actually, I installed the full edition of TeamViewer on your computer. So in future, in case anytime if you have an issue, you can call us and give us the ID and we will help you on that directly.
Great.
I'm going to save my details for you on your computer's desktop, okay?
Jesus Christ, did he really spell advisors as ADVIZORS? You kidding me? Okay. These scammers can't spell worth crap.
With the name of Windows Help, okay? Do you
Easy
see that
enough. Yes, I see it.
here? Okay.
Advisors with a Z.
Okay, so you can see that everything here now.
Yes.
My name at the top, our phone number, your extension number for future. This is your customer ID. Make sure you remember your customer ID. This is for next 5 years, and the phone number. Our office timing, when it will be open for your services. And once you receive your bank statement at the end of the month for the charge of $474.99, it will appear as the name of QB Advisors. That's the name of the merchant. Like you use Chase Bank, Wells Fargo, we use QB Advisors as a merchant, okay, for
So
sales.
why wouldn't it appear as Microsoft? You guys said you were
Sir,
Microsoft, right?
yes, that is correct. This is like payment portal. Payment portal is not on the name of Microsoft. It is under the name of QB Advisors. That is called merchant. That is not a company. That is a merchant which takes payment for us.
Okay.
So payment merchant mean that the software which takes all the payments only. And today what I will be doing, we have Security Essentials software for our Microsoft computer, which is called Microsoft Security Essentials. I will try to provide that without any additional cost. Okay, that is Security Essentials. So you can run that for a couple of months, not to buy any computer security like Norton and all. So use that for a couple of months. I believe that may help you. And if not, then on the next time when you receive a call from us, you can let us know and we will change your security. I will let you know whether to buy a security or not. But I hope secure Microsoft Security, Security Essentials, which we are going to provide you, that may help you a lot. Okay, so you don't need to
Okay.
pay like around $70 or $80 on the store to buy your computer security for now. Okay,
Okay.
we will notify you if you need it on, like if it's urgent, then and only buy it. Not because I see you do not use most of the things which are required for security, so it's not that much compulsory also. So not to be worried, let us check all the things. And also in future, if you want to give us your computer's remote access, just do one thing. Let me show you one thing before I can move further.
I got another question.
Sure, sir.
Why wouldn't I just call the number on the pop-up again to reach you guys?
I'm sorry?
Why wouldn't I just call the number I found on the pop-up to reach you guys?
Why did you find the number?
Why wouldn't I call that number back?
Yes, you can call that number back. No problem.
Yeah, so what's with the other
But
number
we
you
gave you
gave
a
me?
direct line with an extension, and under that, you do not need to prove your identity. You will be registered under that extension. They will check it directly, and that's why this program is installed on your computer's desktop. If you see here on the computer, you see there is a TeamViewer software, this one. Do you see that?
Yeah.
It is a full edition of TeamViewer 10. So whenever you want to connect it, you can open it. Every time the password and ID would be new. So sorry, the password will be new, not the ID. ID will remain same. Password will change every time, so that makes sure your data remains safe and secure. So for your security, everything would be updated there. So just call us, give us the ID, and we will check it for you. So right now what I'm going to do, I'm just doing few updates for your computer. So give us some time. Let us finish these updates. As soon as I'm done, I'll call you back on your number which you provided us. Okay?
Okay, I got another question.
Sure, sir.
Do many people fall for this scam?
I'm sorry?
Do many people fall for this tech support scam?
Tech support scam?
Yes.
Yes, tell me.
Yeah, you see, I've actually been in the IT industry for almost 2 decades now. Do you know how long a decade is?
So your voice is cracking. I'm sorry, could you please speak a little loud?
Yes, I'm in the IT industry for almost 2 decades. Do you know how long a decade is?
You are in the IT?
Yes, I am. And what you showed me is false.
Okay.
You went to my
That's
MS
good.
Info and you told me that the services were stopped. But see, those are actually drivers, and those services aren't really necessary for Windows to run properly. You're going to charge me
The services which are necessary for you?
$499 just to clear out junk files. Yeah, that's not legit, buddy.
I'm sorry, I didn't understand you. What you want to say us?
Yeah, this is a virtual machine. It's all fake.
Okay.
So, half of what you showed me was legit. So basically, you went to MS Info 32.
Okay, yes.
You told me all of these services were stopped. They don't have to be started for Windows to run properly. I know that for a fact.
Okay.
So you're basically charging me $500 just to clear out temp files. Now, in addition to that, you also told me that I have to go to an actual physical store to pick up antivirus software, when AVG is free.
Yeah, I told you if you want. Your AVG is free, but free software do
Yeah,
not
so why do I
give
gotta
that
pay?
much of security.
Why do I gotta pay $500 for you guys to tell me that?
So if you wish not to pay, not to pay.
Yeah, bro. The info I gave you is fake, and you're a scammer.
Our work was to inform you about all the details. We did that for you.
Yeah, you informed me of nothing.
Okay, if you are saying that you are much more smarter, that's your choice, sir, okay?
Yeah,
Our work was
unlike
to
you,
give
I'm
the
actually in the
information,
industry
and you have
know
called
when I'm
us
getting
to remove
scammed.
the pop-ups.
The pop-up is fake. It's a virtual machine.
Okay.
I can roll it back to a previous state anytime I want to.
Okay. So if you want, if you know everything better than us, please go ahead and do that. Remove them, okay?
Okay, scammer. Bye.
Bye.